I'm Sean Carlyle. I live in Town Green, Orton, and go to St Bede's Catholic High School. I've picked computer science as one of my options.
I'm Robert. I live in Orton. I've really been enjoying studying German, DT woodwork and separate sciences this year.
My name is Matthew Rawcliffe. I live in Home-e-stasis, and one of my more favourable subjects that I'm studying at the moment is DT woodwork. So originally we had a National Innovation Challenge from our teacher. Just before it started, there was this competition going on, which is the National Cipher Challenge, and we did really well on it. We came joint first, and our teacher was actually quite impressed with this result, so she thought maybe it was time for the next step.
Home-e-stasis is going to be using drones and other scanning devices to make 3D digital clones of houses and other buildings. They'll increase the owner's knowledge on how they can better retrofit their buildings and houses, and can also potentially act as a replacement for the EPC.
Around 18% of all carbon emissions come from homes, which is really concerning and could really push back our goals of reaching net zero by 2050.
Our idea is a concept for a software package that could be developed. It draws techniques used across a few different industries, and it's the level of complexity, the data needed and the costs mean that we need an enormous team and a large amount of funding for it. This wasn't feasible for a student group to make this, so we decided it should be a concept or a software package instead.
The three of us all had our own individual roles to play in the team. So after we'd all done our individual pieces of work, we'd collaborate all our ideas into the project. So Sean's data and research would fit nicely into Robert's PowerPoint. I'd summarise that up in the Word document. When we found out we got finalists, it was honestly like a surreal experience. We just couldn't believe it. It felt almost like a dream, but it was nice to see all our hard work and all our hard efforts paid off.
Well, MIT, it's a world-renowned technological research institute that produced some incredible breakthroughs and research over the years, and it's a great inspiration, I think, to all of us. Visiting there would be so inspirational for our future careers in STEM, and it will really show us what to aim for.